My name is Michael Glover. I am the Director of Clinical Operations with Ekso Bionics. When I interviewed with this company, I saw the robot and I said, hey, can I try it? And why I wanted to try it is this, because I had been working as a neurological physical therapist for 12 years or so at that time. I'm cranking people's legs over the treadmill, and it's just like all this work, I sweat. You know, it's so difficult because I knew if I could feel it, that's how I would understand it. I got in it, and I was like, this is it. This is the direction rehab is going, and I want to be part of it. Having Medicare say that they believe in what we're doing to reimburse these devices is a big milestone, because most of these technologies were unavailable because of cost. So this helps to alleviate one of those steps. I can't tell you how many times I've seen patients and family members just in tears with the opportunity to be able to get out of their wheelchair and stand and ultimately take steps. It just feels so good because they're so used to sitting for so many hours of their day, if not their entire day, that there's just this like release, and they're just this like, And what is super important to most people that are in these devices is when they get to stand and hug their loved one. It means a lot. And so that often is their primary motivator. I mean, it's exactly why we've been doing this for so long, because it's for those people. It's all about the person who needs these technologies.